If you suffer from sinus congestion, here are my tips for that sinus congestion that you're gonna love. Okay, tip number 1 is to do lymphatic drainage. Now this is something that is super helpful to drain the lymphatics in the head and neck, and I do have other videos I'm gonna throw to that in just a second. Okay, number 2 is to use specific acupuncture points on the face, which are specifically related to those sinuses. So if we take a look really quickly, stomach 3, which is related to your stomach channel, so believe it or not, your sinuses can be an indication that there is some digestive things happening as well. Stimulating this point can really help to drain those sinuses, as well as large intestine 20, which is just at the corner of the bottom part of your nose. By doing little round circles in this area, really helpful for relieving that sinus pain. And even right now, if you're watching this, press on these points and see if you have any type of pain or discomfort. That's an indication that there could be a little bit of that sinus congestion, and by working those acupuncture points, this can really help. And the last point is urinary bladder number 2. So that's in the upper sinuses. Again, for a lot of people, there's tension here. Just massaging those areas for about 2 minutes, doing little circular motions, and you got to press hard enough that you're actually feeling something to actually drain out those sinuses. And tip number 3 is to use some immune supporting herbal medicines. So things like Echinacea, Astragalus, Althaea, which is known as marshmallow herbal medicine, Panax, Quinquefolius, the specific type of ginseng really helps to tonify and strengthen the immune system. Echinacea works like a natural antibiotic, helps to kill off those bad bacteria, which is related to sinus congestion. And tip number 4 is to use quercetin. Now the research shows, as found in this study, that it helps to decrease inflammation, specifically in the nasal passages, and that nasal inflammation, as that's related to sinus congestion, really has a protective effect on the lungs as well, and even brain inflammation. So that is really important. Quercetin is naturally derived, and it's something that you can take as a supplement in a concentrated form. Now number 5 on the list for sinus congestion is to do steam inhalation. Now this is fantastic as well, using some essential oils, inhaling that steam. Make sure your eyes are closed, but that will really help to drain those sinuses as well. It's something that I do myself. I use it for my kids all the time. Amazing for that sinus congestion. Now for more information on how to do that lymphatic massage, please check out my video, 9 tips for self-lymphatic massage drainage. I'll see you there.